Okay, so we're going to go in, we're going to go to create document. You're going to name the document with your last name. So mine's Lay. This is going to be my isometric block. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to hit OK. All right, on the right side, you're going to see all different views. So I'm going to sketch from the top view. So I'm going to click top right here. And then I'm going to go to sketch. So everything begins with a sketch. I'm going to select the top plane. So I have to hit that and it will show that I'm sketching on the top plane right here. And the first thing I'm going to make is a simple rectangle with a center point. So I'm going to go up to the center point rectangle and click on that. So it needs to be highlighted to show that it's a center point rectangle. And I'm going to go here to the center, click, and then just make a box. Okay. Everything should be blue, meaning that it hasn't been dimensioned. Dimension means that we're going to add some units to this. So I'm going to go up to the top here where it says dimension. I'm going to click on that button. I'm going to dimension the length as a 4. So this is going to be 4. Oops, so if it does that, just hit escape. So go back and hit dimension again. And you should be able to click on the side and out. So this is going to be 5. And I'm going to zoom out so that you can see that it's 5. And then now the left and the right has been dimensioned, but the bottom and the top has not. So in order to dimension the bottom and the top, I'm going to click the bottom and I'm going to click the top and then I'm going to drag it over to the right. And I'm going to be able to dimension that as 5. Okay. And this one, okay, so now they're both 5 by 5. Okay, and let's say this right here, I don't want it to be 5 by 5. I'm going to actually make it by 4. So I double click on that unit and change it to 4. So now it's 4 by 4. Another thing that you can notice is that it goes from blue to black. Black means that everything's been dimensioned. Blue means has not. So it's going to be 4 by 5, and I'm going to go to my isometric view right here just to let you see that you sketch from the top view. And now I'm going to do something called extrude. I'm going to extrude right here and click here, and this is extrude. I'm going to click on the face of the sketch I'm extruding, and it's going to be by 1 inch, and it's a new solid. You can add, remove, intersect, and we're going to work on that later. So it's going to be about 1 inch, and I'm going to hit check, and now it's a 3D object. All right, so then now I'm going to sketch on top of this surface, and that's going to be a sketch, and I'm going to click on top of the surface right here. So it says face of extrude 1 because we just did the first extrude. So this is highlighted and it has to say face of extrude 1. And then now we're going to go to the top view so I can see a little bit better. And I'm going to sketch a line from here to here. Okay. And when it hangs out like this, all you have to do is hit the escape button and then it disappears. And I'm going to dimension from the top and the bottom. So here's my dimension. I'm going to dimension from the top to the bottom, and we're going to make this about 3 inches. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to isometric view just so I can see it. I want to extrude the larger part. So I'm going to go hit extrude, and I'm going to hit here, and I'm actually going to add it to the existing block. Okay, new is going to be a different color, so I want to make sure I just add. I'm going to change that to 4 and hit accept. Okay, so it's going to be pretty big. Okay, to share this document with me, you're going to go to share. You're going to go to link sharing and then turn on link sharing, and then just copy this to the clipboard and then paste it to wherever I need you to paste it to.